Beverly Hills, land of the rich, home of the famous. Sure, the stereotypes exist, but what most people don't know is the truth behind the plastic. If there is anything I have learned in all my years as a plastic surgeon, it's that appearances are not always as they seem. I get patients from all over the world, from celebrities to the average everyday housewife. But there is one thing they all have in common. Everyone needs a lift. Welcome to my world.
I'm Megan, I'm 20 years old. I'm currently a nursing student and a waitress. I broke my nose in high school actually twice, and I noticed when it grew back, I felt like it looked swollen, and I also developed trouble breathing while I sleep and also when I play sports and exercise, which is kind of frustrating, and that's why I'm here to see Dr. Kassabian. So a friend of mine referred me to Dr. Kassabian, so I decided to research his work, and I really like the work he's done with some of his other patients. So today I'm here to explore my options, and I'm really excited.
Hi Megan.
Hi.
I'm Dr. Kassabian.
Nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you too. What brings you in today?
Well, I just wanted you to check out my nose. I have some difficulty breathing, and then I also don't like the way my bump has formed. I broke my nose before.
And were you in an accident or did you fall as a kid?
Well, it was an accident first. The hanger, whatchamacallit, the curtain rod fell on my face, and then a couple weeks later in a basketball game, a girl elbowed me and made my nose a little bit more crooked, and I have trouble breathing on my left side.
Okay. So what I'd like to do is assess your breathing. So I'm going to take a look at your septum and turbinates, all right?
Okay.
Okay, breathe in, out, breathe in, out. So Megan, my exam confirms what you're complaining about. You have a deviation of the septum. It's deviated towards the right side, and you can see it from the outside. Your nose is crooked towards the right. You see this side is much wider than this side. That's because you grew up like that with a crooked nose. It's deviated like this, so whenever there's a cavity on the opposite side, on the left side, the turbinate becomes big and fills in that gap, and that's why the left side is blocked because of the big turbinate. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is straighten out the deviation and also shrink down the turbinate, so that will make you breathe a lot better. Cosmetically on the outside, what bothers you?
Basically the way the bump formed. I used to not have this when I was younger, and then I noticed it stayed this way after I broke it.
Okay, so once I'm done correcting your breathing, then I'll take care of the cosmetic part, that is shave the bump off, make the nose a little bit less wide, okay? And also refine the tip a little bit.
Okay.
So I'm sure you have some questions for me. Let's hear them.
Well, I was just wondering how long the surgery was going to take.
In your case, surgery takes about an hour and a half to 2 hours.
Okay, and the recovery time?
When you wake up, you'll have packing inside the nose, but you'll be able to breathe through it because I put in special tubes. And also you'll have a splint on top. It's a plastic splint, and that stays on for a week. So, and usually hardly any bruising. Within a week, 10 days, you're gonna be fine.
Okay, and where are the stitches going to be on my nose?
The stitches are all inside. There's no cuts on the outside.
Okay.
And unless you want me to trim some of your redundant skin, the alar, that's called alar trimming.
Okay.
So, but otherwise the surgery, there's no cuts here. It's all done on the inside.
All right, awesome.
Okay. So if you have no further questions, then we'll go ahead and schedule your procedure.
All right, let's do it.
I'll see you soon.
Okay.
Okay, very nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay.
So I just met with Dr. Kassabian, and he said that he can improve my breathing and also fix the bump on my nose. I really trust him, and I think he'll do a good job, and I'm really looking forward to getting started.
Dr. Kassabian did a great job, and I'm so happy with the results. This is one of the best things I've ever done in my life.
I couldn't be happier with my results. From start to finish, the process was so easy. Dr. Kassabian and his staff were amazing, so patient, so compassionate.
So I'm here, I'm having surgery in the next half hour. I'm feeling ready, a little bit nervous, but I'm looking forward to doing this.
Good morning, Megan.
Morning.
How are you?
I'm good.
Good. Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm really excited.
Okay. So let's review the plan. First, I'm going to fix your septum. You have a deviated septum and shrink down the turbinate. That's the functional part so you can breathe better. Then the cosmetic part, shave the hump, make the nose less wide, and also refine the tip.
Okay.
So the surgery should take an hour and a half, and you should do great.
All right.
Okay? Any questions for me?
No, I'm
All right.
ready.
Well, if you have no further questions, let's go ahead and start.
All right.
All right. Give me a big hug.
I will be by your side the whole time. You're going to do great.
Feeling comfortable?
I'm comfortable and nervous.
Today's Megan's surgery. Megan is a beautiful young girl, but she's not happy with her nose. First, she has some breathing issues, so I'm gonna be doing a septoplasty for her deviated septum and shrink down her turbinates, so that's to improve her breathing. Cosmetically, Megan's concerns are a bump on the nose and a white tip. So I'm gonna be performing a cosmetic as well as a functional rhinoplasty. Should take an hour and a half, and she should recover very well.
Considering plastic surgery? Want to see results now? Introducing Lift Tech app by Dr. Garo Kassabian for your iPhone and iPad. Snap your photo on your phone or upload one from your library. Choose the area you want to change and change your look with the swipe of a finger. Share with friends. Email for a consultation. Get health and beauty tips. Shop for beauty products. Enjoy the new you, because looking good feels good.
Just got done with Megan's surgery. She had a deviated septum that I had to correct, as well as shrink down the turbinates. This is gonna make her breathing much better. Cosmetically, the bump is shaved, as the tip is refined, and the nose overall looks much finer. I'm sure Megan is gonna be happy with the results. I'll see her in follow-up tomorrow.
This holiday, lift your loved ones' spirits and give them the gift they really want. The gift of beauty from Beverly Hills that only LiftMD can deliver. Choose from our menu of spa services, including facials and peels, facial rejuvenation with Botox and fillers, nose refinement, breast enhancement, liposuction, tummy tuck, our mommy makeover, and choose from LiftMD's exclusive line of beauty products. Why wait? Call today and we'll wrap it and personalize it for you. This holiday, give your loved one the gift of looking good and feeling good. Who says beauty can't come in a box?
Hi Megan.
Hi, doctor.
How are you?
Good.
You're 3 months out. You look great.
Thank
What are
you.
your thoughts?
I'm just really happy how everything came out. I feel like I could breathe a lot better out of my left side. I'm just really happy. Like, thank you so much.
Yeah, welcome. Your nose looks a lot straighter. It's very cute. It
Definitely.
suits you nicely.
Thank you.
What I want to do is check your healing, check your breathing, and also take some photos, and we'll compare it to your previous one. All right?
Sounds good.
Well, everything's healing very well, and as we saw from the before and after, it's a huge improvement. I expect you're only 3 months out. I expect this more swelling to come down, more healing. So that means your nose is going to improve, and you're going to see the fine details of your nose as the swelling comes down a little bit more.
Yes.
All right?
I just have to tell you, doctor, I was really nervous in the very beginning, but you made everything so simple, and I just want to thank you again. I love my results, and I would have done this a long time ago if I would have known how amazing this would have turned out.
Thanks. Well, I'm really happy that you like the results. I really appreciate when my patients are happy. Your breathing is better. I'm happy about that, but also cosmetically, it looks natural and it complements your features. So I'm very happy about that, and I'm happy that you like the results.
I really do.
All right.
Thank you so much. I'll see you in 3 months.
Okay. Well.
I was really hesitant to get rhinoplasty in the beginning, but once I met with Dr. Kassabian, I felt really comfortable and I felt like I could really trust him. So I did a lot of research on Dr. Kassabian. I found out he was board certified, which was really important to me, and it gave me a lot of confidence in choosing him as my doctor. I also found out he had a really extensive educational background, which I really liked. And also I really liked his before and after pictures of his previous patients. And I'm really happy that I chose him as my doctor. The overall process was so simple. 2 weeks after the surgery, I was able to go back to school. 2 months after surgery, I was able to go to Hawaii on vacation. I mean, I wish I would have done this sooner.